Imagine this, as I move this board, the dice on the screen moves exactly the same way. You might think it's a pre-made animation, but it's not. It's a live representation of what I'm doing exactly with this board. And it all happens thanks to a very small sensor embedded here called an IMU for Inertial Measurement Unit. And here is the surprising part. You probably have this technology in your hands while watching this video. But how can something so small sense movement, orientation, and even balance? And why has it become essential in every modern device? First, an inertial measurement unit is a sensor based on a MEMS technology that we have explained in the previous video of what is a MEMS sensor. This sensor includes an accelerometer capable of measuring linear accelerations for the XYZ axis, and a gyroscope capable of measuring rotational movement around those same axes, and what we call as well yaw, pitch, and roll. Together, and thanks to advanced algorithms as sensor fusion, we're capable of recognizing how an object moves and rotates in the three-dimensional space. Now that we know what is an IMU, how does it show up in your daily life? In wearables and gaming, they measure acceleration and rotation to track steps, detect gestures, and keep VR content aligned with your movements. In robotics and drones, they provide real-time motion data for balance and stability, enabling precise navigation and controlled maneuvers. In automotive applications, IMUs are essential as they support draconian navigation when GPS is lost and feed motion data to safety systems like airbags and electronic stability control for instant response. As one of the leaders in MEMS sensors, at STMicroelectronics we're pushing IMUs further, designing sensors with ultra-low noise and high stability for reliable performances. We have introduced the industry's first high G sensor, with 2 accelerometers in one compact package, one for high-impact shocks and the other one for fine precision. Perfect for high-impact applications like in sports, in tennis or golf without draining the battery's life. In automotive, we lead in navigation, telematics, and body applications, and we're expanding into advanced safety for smoother and safer driving. So whether it's a simple roll of the dice or the future of autonomous driving, precise motion starts with this tiny chip. Now we want to hear from you. Where do you think IMUs will make the biggest difference in the future? Thank you for watching this video. For more information, visit st.com/MEMS and Sensors.